for the first time ever, this is Liseberg Grand Curiosa Hotel. And we just checked in. Today, in honor of this day, I have a old hangover t-shirt. And what are you doing?
I'm drinking hot chocolate.
You're drinking hot chocolate.
Yeah.
So you're really relaxed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this is
Home.
You're already home? Okay, good. Let's move in. This is a Grand Curiosa room with probably the best view that we've ever had. We can't open the window that we ever had. Wait, let's see if we can. Yes, we can. The best view. Darn, we couldn't open the. We can only open it a little bit. This is the best view that we ever had in an amusement park. Universal was good. But this is fantastic. This is now in our home park. We now have this fantastic hotel. They open this Saturday. This is a little preview, and it's. What do you feel this far?
It's a very, very nice themed hotel. I haven't looked at everything, but I like the small details. Like I like the decoration, I like the curtains, and everything's just like in a very beautiful original style. And I think my favorite part of the room is actually the small
room.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are fantastic.
Have you seen them?
Actually, this is the smallest. I just have to show you the details here. I think it looks really good. So this is, by the way, this is Mr. Dollar, the wife of the owner of the hotel, or the creator. It's Mrs. and Mr. Dollar that made this. Here you have the bathroom, which is a standard. Again, this is a Grand Curiosa. It's the standard room, but the rooms still have 5 beds. So there's one pull out here that you can pull out all the way to this. This is a full-size bed, and this one and this one. So you have 3 here plus a double bed. So you can fit plenty of people in just the standard room, which makes it quite more affordable for a family. So can say that we also have a crib because we were supposed to bring Enzo, but he's at home with grandma. Yeah. But he will be here tomorrow in the park. Yes. Which we'll also, of course, make a vlog out of, because we are here to ride all of the rides, of course, but we are here to open the brand new Vekoma family boomerang Luna, which is the fastest, tallest, and longest Vekoma family boomerang in the world. But first of all, let's have a great look at Liseberg Grand Curiosa Hotel. So here is a little look at the Harry Potter toilet. This is up at May Rose, and I think this is so cool. Yeah. This place up here is May Rose, and we are now going to have a look at the rooftop bar. First ever on the channel. Hello.
Hello.
How was your day?
Good.
Was it good?
And yours?
Fantastic. So this is the rooftop bar, the indoor part. Then you have the second part, which is also kind of indoor. At least you have a roof. But then you get out in the open. Of course, there will be bars and stuff here. It will be food. If I understand correctly, it will be like a barbecue theme out here. But this is just looking amazing. This is the best, by far the best rooftop bar in Sweden, and it's here in Gothenburg, 10 minutes from our home, which is just insane. There goes Testran on Valkyria. Den där Can we simply agree that this is the best rooftop bar in Sweden? Jona is just shaking her head. Yeah,
It's amazing.
I like that. I like that view. You like it, Jessica?
Yeah, I do.
Sarah, what do you think? Best rooftop bar in Sweden, easily. Yeah, but they should open the bar. Let's do it this Saturday. This will look really cool when it's done, and it will go. It will be so busy, but it looks amazing. I do wonder how it is to wake up at a hotel next to Liseberg, like Liseberg Grand Curiosa Hotel, with this awesome view. I can tell you, it is actually quite nice. That view is fantastic. We rode yesterday, we rode Loke, Valkyria, Balder, and some of us did the haunted house Gasten. Today we're going to ride the new roller coaster Luna, which you can see up there on the hill. We will also do the rest of the rides in the park, and we will be recording a vlog. Girls,
Yes.
I will now start a little vlog.
Do it.
Where are you going?
To Luna.
Yes, we're going to try the new roller coaster Luna. We're walking up there right now. Enzo is with us today. Second time he's on here. He was Christmas last time. A little bit better weather now. We slept our very first night ever on Grand Curiosa Hotel, which was fantastic. And as you saw, the view we had in the morning was just, yeah, amazing. So now we're going to... Sorry? We will walk here inside. So now we will walk up with the stroller all the way up to Luna Park and try the new roller coaster Luna, which in fact is the fastest, tallest and longest Vekoma family boomerang in the world. Not every day Enzo is in an amusement park, but today we are here to ride Luna, and Enzo is very happy about it.
And these preview or test runs, they're always a little bit exhilarating in the sense that obviously it's a new technical installation, and everybody is a little on the edge about that, but also because we are very anxious to get your comments, and you're the first ones actually riding this ride. I still remember exactly. I still remember my first test run in 2011 here at Liseberg. We were building Atmosphere, the freefall tower behind me, and we had been working on the project for 8 months, and everybody wanted to go on the ride. And a couple of weeks before the official opening of Liseberg, the technical team called me and they said, "Well, Andreas, we're ready for a test run." And I ran up on the mountain, I got off my jacket, and they took out the border dummies and they put me in the ride, and I secured the harness, and then I looked around and I was the only one on the ride. It's, again, a very warm welcome, and I hope you will enjoy this little baby. Welcome.
So now we are entering for our first ride in Luna. Are you excited?
I am excited.
I'm also excited.
Oh, this is gonna be so amazing. Där ja.
Ja. was great. I loved it.
Yeah, me
It was so
too.
soft, and it was like you went to the moon.
We went
really
to the
went-
moon and back.
We were screaming the whole time. It was like a surprise in every corner.
Yeah, it was
nice.
higher than expected, actually.
Very much higher.
Yeah.
I need to.
Recommend.
Okay, everyone, we have done Luna.
Yes.
And what do you guys think?
We thought it was amazing. It was very good. And it was very soft, and it was like fast. And I told you before, it's like a surprise in every corner.
Yeah.
You're not ready for the turns.
Yeah.
Especially not backwards.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I really like it.
I think it's the perfect addition to the park.
Yeah.
Don't expect like a very fast, very airtimey roller coaster, because it isn't. But it's a great roller coaster.
Yeah.
I think it's a lot of fun.
It's very nice.
And it's perfect for like if you're a kid and you don't want to go on Balder already. So
Yeah,
this is
this is a family coaster,
Yeah.
which will be loved by families.
Yes.
I really think so.
Very
Great
much.
addition to the park. The station looks fantastic.
The details are
It's
amazing.
awesome. First ever front row of Luna. It's going to be so much fun. According to what everyone said, this is by far the best seat on Luna. Whee! You can see something.
You can see the booster wheel. It's open.
Nerd stuff.
Yeah, of course. Oh, that's design.
Yes, it's designed.
Bye bye.
Here we go.
Oh, here comes the spine.
Okay, here we go. And we have a slide.
Oh,
Wow, that's fantastic. That was a little bit of airtime. I have to say that is pure brilliant. I agree. That is just amazing. I just did some communication with Sarah there in the PV. We decided to go on lunch. If you find out how I did it, I will give you a coaster top hat. We lost people.
we lost a lot of people.
It's only me and Jessica. We are going to ride Helix. Sarah and Jonah decided to ride. No, not ride. They will play Zombie.
The zombie.
Zombie, yeah, they'll play Zombie game in the arcade hall. So we will walk over to Helix, and that's the first ride for 2023 in Helix. Yeah! Woo! So there's a brand new skyline here of Liseberg. Look at the amazing Luna track coming here. It's just wow with the spike, and a front ride on Luna is just great. Here comes Helix. So excited to be back. Haven't been here since December, and we have awesome spring weather here at Liseberg today. The official opening of Liseberg will be this Saturday, and they open the brand new hotel. They open Luna, and the park celebrates 100 years. This is amazing. Super amazing, so much fun. Sorry, but sometimes this guy wants to do collaborations on POVs. So today You'll be in
doing
one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Last time you were in one was Forza.
Yeah. And this time is Luke at Liseberg.
Yeah. No, I must score music today.
No, I must score.
But
still an incoming Curious Weekend.
it's still a fantastic flat ride.
Sure.
Exactly.
Wow.
It is so powerful. We are just getting started. The thing is, I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be able to hold the camera. It's already getting heavy. It's such a fantastic ride. That's top. You can keep me in this for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. Oh my god, the camera is so heavy. I'm actually struggling holding up the camera. I'm not kidding. I hope you can see anything. It's getting dark. I think we're by slowing this down, we are giving one ride in Hisingen.
Yeah,
I think it is. Before it was so expensive.
But for start the ride, we have to close every other rides down.
Exactly.